And literally there's nobody else. There's nothing really open, so it's closed. Everything is closed. This entire lagoon is empty. There's nobody here. One freaking person is not here. I'm actually just looking for a Starbucks. I know there's no Starbucks that's gonna be around. They're all gonna be closed. Okay, so here we go. We're about to head out and get on the airplane to Hawaii. The thing with traveling to Hawaii right now is you have to have a COVID test. And you have to have it within 3 days. Once we got our results, we had to upload our results to the hawaii.travel.gov. That's about it. We got a QR code that gives us approval to get on the airplane. To drink some water. That way I can take off my mask. So the mask thing is pretty strictly enforced, especially for adults, but they also enforce it for the kids. Get a comfortable mask. Staying at a building right next to the Hilton. The Hilton doesn't own the beach, so anybody can go to the beach and enjoy the views, the water, the sand. It's weird because everything is closed. The whole resort is shut down, and I'm going to show you the pool. It's kind of sad. One store that's open right now, and it's the Volcom store, and it's 50% off everything. So we're going to go grab some deals.